Hi buddies, in this video we will cover the Git installation. We are already done with the GitHub hosting service and the code editor VSC. Now in Git installation, the Mac and Linux users have Git installed by default nowadays. Windows OS, the recommended way is to use Git for Windows. I will show you step by step. Post this, we will need something called as Git Credentials Manager, and currently it comes along with Git for Windows. And then we will link the Git to the GitHub account. Okay. First, to search for Git for Windows, you can either just go to your browser, say Git for Windows download. Okay, or you could directly click on the link I have provided. The link I provided is actually a step-by-step step instruction to by Atlassian. You can come down here. Let me copy it here so that you all can refer to it. Click on download. We'll wait for it to get downloaded. So we'll proceed. In case this is the location, in case you have a good reason only, then please change, otherwise let it be. Okay, in case you want an additional icon on the desktop, here the Vim is by default the text editor. You can change Visual Studio Code that we have installed as your editor, or you can retain Vim as well. So this is because whenever we are creating a dictionary, the starting point was always previously called master, but due to some controversy and some views that we should not use something called as master and slave, there was an opinion that a word like main has to be used. So it's your choice. I will go ahead with the default. Okay, so let me go with whatever is recommended. Like I told, nowadays the Git Credential Manager comes as a part of the Git package. With this, you don't need to supply the username and password every time. Okay, so we'll go ahead with this. Just go next and finish. So let's finish this off. Okay, and yeah, there is the known issue list and other minor details about the Git version that you have installed. Okay, let's close this. You can close this as well, as we are done with it. Now we are done with the installation. Here are the official documentation I have shared. The entire process of setting the username, which I will be guiding you with later, is also present in this official doc. It's always good to refer the official docs because if there is any change, it will be first updated in the official docs. The blogs and all may or may not update the information, so it's always good to have a track with the official documentations. Okay, so you can keep these links ready for yourself. So let's just check the Git version, what you can do is we'll open the Git bash. And we say Git version. So we get the Git version, which means the Git is installed successfully. And we'll check the Git credential manager version. Okay, I think there was a typo. Yeah, so it means the Git credential manager is also installed. What is Git credential manager? It's what provides secure Git credential storage for Windows. Basically, it also helps with you not having to give the username and password every time. So this is also an official link, so you can use it when required. Now, the next part that is left with us is link the Git to the GitHub. Okay, please update your email. Okay, and okay, so let me just run this on Git bash. Okay, so we are done with that. So let's just check if everything is fine. Git configs dash dash global dash dash list. Yeah, it's successfully done. Okay, that is all I had for this video. See you at the next video. If you have any doubts, please post a comment. Thank you.